What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to stream on TikTok and Twitch at the same time. First, you will need to have three softwares: OBS Studio and the OBS vertical plugin, Atom, and lastly, the TikTok Live Studio application. Now in order to get all these things, you can simply type here in the search bar OBS and you will get the OBS software right here, and you will get also the Atom vertical plugin right here. So you can search for them and download them, and after that you should install them all. And once you install all the softwares, now you have to open your OBS. So I have opened OBS Studio, as you can see, and now it will show you this vertical screen right here. And now what you should do is to simply click on vertical sources right here. Then you should click on this plus sign, and if you do not have this vertical scene, you can simply click on plus sign, then name it vertical. For example, I'm gonna name it vertical test, then click on OK. Then you should choose this one right here, and here in the vertical sources you should click on this plus sign and add display capture or the game capture. And after that, click on OK. And here, as you can see, you have the display right here. Then you can move it like this and increase and decrease its size like this. So I'm gonna decrease like this one right here. And you can also add your face cam. You can do so by clicking on the plus sign again and choose this option right here, video capture device, then click on new. And here in my case, I do not actually have any cam, so I'm gonna just add it like this, just in order to demonstrate everything. And after adding it, you will see the camera just right here. And you can also add another thing if you want. You can add an image, for example. Let's say that I'm gonna add an image of this mesh right here, and you can put it anywhere that you want. And now after that, let's go to TikTok Live Studio. So I'm gonna open it, as you can see, and now it will show exactly the things that you have added. And now this orange box, as you can see, is actually my webcam, but it's not working. That's why it's showing you the orange color. And now here, as you can see, you have all the things set. And if you cannot actually find this page, you can simply go back to OBS and click on this icon right here, and it will directly plug your settings from OBS to this area right here in the TikTok Live Studio. And after that, you can simply adjust your settings. You can adjust the audio and you can do whatever modifications that you want. Then you are all set. You can simply click on start streaming on OBS, then go to TikTok and click on go live. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.